As the real estate market continues the leveling off process, we are starting to see changes in our current real estate market here at July 2022. During the peak of the real estate market, real estate agents were holding 2 to 4 hour open houses for agents and their buyers to come through and see the home, and then requesting their highest and best offers shortly after the open house. I mean, it was a very stressful and exciting time, to say the least. Now, here in July of 2022, open houses reached their highest point of the entire year. However, they are not for the agents to make their highest and best offers any longer, as the flood of buyers has slowed and the open houses are having small amounts of people come to them. Hi, my name is John Herman of Property Up, and I list and sell homes in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. Mortgage interest rates are the culprit and have taken off since the start of this year. In January, the interest rate was about 3.2%, and now here at the beginning of July, we're close to 6%. With this rate hike over only the past 6 months, if you bought a house at $400,000, now it will cost you $500 more than it would have in January. This, along with gas and food prices, affects all buyers and sellers alike, and each will have to make strategic adjustments. However, other real estate experts are saying that the interest rates are going to be staying at this level for a while, maybe going up a little bit higher, and prices might not dip on houses because of the lower inventory. Now, any real estate market will always have homes that do not sell, and at the beginning of this year, there was about 1 to 5 homes coming off the market on a daily basis where the listing expired or it was canceled within 10 different large towns in northwest suburbs. So basically, everything was selling. Now, fast forward to today, where we have about 20 to 30 homes coming off the market from that same group of towns in the area on a daily basis, which is much more what you would see in a balanced real estate market. Builders have been filing less building permits in the last month as well. By the way, did you know that in Illinois, 24% of the cost of building a home is paid towards the regulations of the builders? Our builders need a break in Illinois. They basically pass that cost to buyers and sellers alike. According to Realtor.com, the supply of homes for sale has finally begun to rise, being up 21% from this time a year ago. It is still, however, half of the pre-COVID levels and remains low. So inventory is finally getting a little better. The prices are starting to level off as expected with the increasing mortgage interest rates. The great news is that if you have owned a home or an investment property for the past 5 years or more, now that you realized an incredible amount of equity over this time. So I hope you found this video educational and helpful. And again, my name is John Herman of Property Up, and I look forward to serving you in the very near future, and make it a great day.